friends, what's up? It's Susan back here with another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some fun, not necessarily fun, but some easy tricks to help you stay energized in the morning, because for all you night owls out there, mornings are difficult. So hopefully these tricks will help you wake up in the morning and just give you a nice boost to start your day. So let's get on with the video. So the first trick is to make your bed immediately. So as soon as you get out of your bed, make it, because then you won't be tempted to jump back into the bed and fall asleep. And making your bed is hard, but if you do it right away, your room will look cleaner and you'll just feel better about the upcoming day. And the next trick is to sleep with the blinds open. I mean, like, don't push them up all the way or whatever, but just make sure a little bit of natural light can come through, because then your body will naturally wake up and the natural light will be more pretty and less annoying than a beeping alarm clock. So hopefully the natural light will do you some good to help you wake up. And the third thing is to stretch in the morning. And I mean, like, you don't have to do a whole yoga routine or whatever. You just, I don't know, it just gets your muscles and blood flowing if you just do a little bit of stretching. And I don't mean like do the splits or whatever, because I definitely can't do that, but just maybe some little poses or whatever you want to do. Just stretching is a good way to wake your body and your mind up. And next, you want to wash your face as soon as you get into the bathroom, because you know the cold water will just and boom, you are awake. I don't know what the science is behind that either, but it'll just wake you up. And like, remember that one iCarly episode where they like stuck their heads in the buckets of water when they were trying to break the Guinness Book of World Records? That works. So do that, and A, your face will be washed and clean and not disgusting, and B, you'll wake up. The next one you've probably heard before, but I'm gonna tell it to you again, which is putting your alarm in the other room, wherever that other room might be. But as long as it's not in your bedroom or in reaching distance, it's fine, because then you'll be like, ugh, I should have to get up and walk and turn that off. So hopefully that'll wake you up, but if it doesn't, that's depressing for you. And the next thing is always have a cup of water by your bed. So as soon as that alarm goes up, you can grab a glass of water and then you'll just feel hydrated and refreshed. And also, if you wanted to, you could put a little snack there, because I know as soon as I wake up I'm starving, and for whatever reason you might not eat breakfast right away, then there's food there, and food makes you not dead. And the seventh thing is to jump out of bed, and I don't mean just like figuratively as like, oh, I jump out of bed in the morning. I mean actually, like, as soon as that alarm goes off, you physically are like jumping up like a frog or other animals that jump. You gotta jump, because you know, then you'll just feel motivated. And the next thing is wake up at the same time, which obviously sounds repetitive because all the doctors and teachers are like, oh my gosh, you have to wake up at the same time every morning to get your whatever amount of sleep that you need. But it does help. For once, your teachers were right about something, that waking up at the same time just puts your body into a schedule and just makes you feel better, and then you'll be naturally waking up at the same time without even necessarily needing that beep 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 of the alarm clock. And after you've done the other things that I've said to do immediately, you want to get dressed, because if you're still in your pajamas when you're doing all this, then you're gonna be like, oh, pajamas equals bedtime, so time to go back to sleep. But if you're wearing your work clothes, your school clothes, your whatever clothes, then you'll be like, okay, it's time to start the day, and you'll trick your brain into thinking whatever it needs to think. And the final thing, which honestly sounds a little bit cheesy, and I don't like cheesy things, but just have a positive attitude, because if you wake up and you're just like, ugh, I don't want to go to X, Y, or Z, then you're gonna be depressed and sad and only thinking about bed the rest of the day. But if you're like, today is a great day, I get to go to work and have a fun and whatever, then that'll just make your whole day better and you'll give out a good vibe. So do that. So those are all the tips for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what else you guys like to do to wake up in the morning, or how to stay energized in the morning, because I'm so bad at waking up that I just hit that snooze over and over and over again. So if you have any tips, let me know, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next video.